Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Peter Olwach is my name. I talk to people about the stock market. I talk to people about savings. I talk to people about investing, and I talk to people about growing money, and more so in the stock market. But of course, I know there are many other ways of growing money. And today's topic is this: 5 business that you can start with 10,000 shillings, 10,000 shillings or less. The first business you can start is farming. As an individual, I started farming about 10 years back, not 20 years back. After high school, what I did was to venture into farming because I was looking for money to pay for my school fees in the university. So I ventured into farming, and with 1,000 shillings, what I did was to buy seedlings. Not seedlings, seeds. I was farming kales, what Kenyans popularly call as sukuma wiki. And I was also farming tomatoes. And I was also farming onions. So with 1,000 shillings, I was able to buy those seeds. And then I planted a nursery. Then, of course, after nursery, they take about 30 days. Then I transferred them to the farm. And out of 1,000 shillings, I was able to make about 16,000 shillings. And I paid for my first year school fees, first year university fees. I was going to join University of Nairobi to study my computer science degree. And so farming is a business you can start with less than 10,000 shillings. I've done that practically and I know. The second business you can start with less than 10,000 shillings is hawking. Nairobi is full of hawkers, and hawkers sell all kinds of things. Some sell clothes, some sell shoes, some sell sausages, some sell many things. And so hawking is a business that you can do. You can be buying these products in Kikomba, for example, or buying these products in Kamukunji, for example, and then selling to people. So hawking is a business that you can do. The other business that you can do is shoes. As an individual, I've been able to buy shoes in Kikomba. I've been able to sell shoes in Kikomba. And with less than 10,000 shillings, you can start that business. What you do is you buy, the shoes is called camera. When a bale comes, and the first time the bale is opened, usually there are very, very new shoes there, or shoes in highly good condition. Of course, Mtumba, they are second-hand shoes, so they are not new as such. But there are some that are pretty new or are in pretty good condition. And so you can buy them. Let's say a shoe is 1,000, then you go sell it somewhere for, let's say, 2,000. Or you buy at 1,500, you go sell somewhere at 2,000. So shoes business is a business that you can buy, or rather you can start with less than 10,000. I've been able to do that, and you can do that. Another business you can start with less than 10,000 is website design. I've been a website designer, and I still make websites for companies. So if you are in business, if you are a business and you need a website for your company, you can hire me. I can make for you a website for your company. I make websites for companies. I have a company called Doxa Interactive Studio. I make websites for companies. And a website for your company can sell your company and can brand your company and can market your company. A website is a 24-hour salesperson that helps you generate traffic and helps you generate sales and helps you make money. So a website is very good. Excuse me, I have a cold. So website design is something you can start with less than 10,000 shillings and be able to do it for people. The second business you can start with less than 10,000 shillings is graphic design business. You find people who need flyers. You find people who need posters. You find people who are in campaigns. We are going to a political campaign. Politicians look for flyers. Politicians want posters. Politicians need a lot of online campaign. They need people to help them with the campaigns. And so being a graphic designer is a business that you can start, offering the service of graphic design, designing posters, flyers for the politicians in their various endeavors. You can start that with less than 10,000 shillings. I'm a graphic designer and I know, and it's a business I've been able to start with less than 10,000 shillings. Another business you can start with less than 10,000 shillings is advisory services. Personally, I'm in the business of giving people advice on the stock market. And I started talking to people about the stock market. What I did was very simple, open a WhatsApp group. That's where I started talking to people about the stock market. And slowly by slowly, we grew out, or we overgrew the WhatsApp group and we joined Telegram. And so advisory services, like the one I'm doing, advising people on the stock market, is something you can do with less than 10,000 shillings. I started with zero. The only thing you needed was a mobile phone. With a mobile phone, let's say a mobile phone with a WhatsApp. That's a mobile phone that's about 5,000 shillings. And you just create a WhatsApp group and you talk to people and you advise them, buy this, buy this, buy this, buy this, and they see it works. And so the numbers keep growing. So we left WhatsApp and joined Telegram. And Telegram is a business that is less than 1 year, because I started Telegram in January. And in less than 1 year, we are 8,000 people. So you can imagine what happens after 10 years. You can imagine what happens after we are 20 years old. It will be big and big and big. And it's a business that is started with less than 10,000 shillings. And it's a business I've done, and it's a business I know. You can do it with less than 10,000 shillings. The other business you can do with less than 10,000 shillings is rearing chicken. I'm in the village right now, and a chicken goes for a hen, rather. A hen goes for about 600, 700 shillings. So with 10,000 shillings, if you have 10 hens, that's about, for easy mathematics, that's about 7,000 shillings. So 7 hens, and all of them, let's assume they are layers. Not layers really, but they lay eggs. So every day you'll be having 10 eggs. In a month, you'll be having 300 eggs. Natural 300 eggs. If you sell here in the village, one egg is about 20 shillings. 20 shillings, and you have 300 of them. That is 6,000 per day. 6,000 per day times 30 days, you have 18,000. 6,000 per day times 30 days, you have almost 180,000. So, ladies and gentlemen, you can start any business with less money. 10,000 shillings can start many, many, many businesses. Let's say you are not interested in buying hens. You can buy a goat. And these goats, after, remember, in a year, a goat gives birth to 2 kids. So with 10,000 shillings, a goat is about 3,000, 4,000 shillings here in the village. So with 10,000, you can buy 3 she goats. And then they start producing kids, and they're producing more kids and producing more kids, and soon the kids will grow, and they will also start producing kids. So the mother goat will also continue producing kids. And so this is a business you can do with less than 10,000 shillings. Ladies and gentlemen, there are so many businesses you can do with less than 10,000 shillings. Thank you for watching. If you are new to this channel, subscribe. And also, of course, I forgot to say, stock market is another business that you can do with less than 10,000 shillings. 10,000 shillings will be able to buy for you 100 shares of ABSA. Every month, 10,000 shillings will be giving you 1,000 extra, 1,000 extra, 1,000 extra. After a year, 10,000 shillings will have given you another 10,000 shillings, so you'll be having 20,000 shillings. So the stock market is a business that you can also start with 10,000 shillings or less. If you're new to this channel, subscribe. If you're not in our Telegram group, please join our Telegram group. Asante sana. Bye-bye. Have a nice time.